Social media platforms often test new features and replacements silently, and Instagram seems to be doing the same with social connections. Well, it seems to be replacing the traditional following tab on profiles with a new friends list that only shows mutual followers. The change was first spotted in late November and described as the followers you follow back tab, where instead of getting the full list of accounts one followed, the profile only displayed the people who follow you back. This small change is having a big emotional impact, with users calling it terrible and depressing. The very realization that most of the Instagram connections are basically one-way relationships has hit harder than expected. The change also creates some awkward privacy situations. Since the mutual followers list is visible on your profile, family members can now see exactly which accounts you are mutually connected with. It's clearly an A/B test at this point, since not all users are seeing the change yet. Some people stumbled upon it after updating their app, while others still have the traditional following and followers layout. It feels like Instagram is borrowing from its parent company's playbook, as the layout now mirrors Facebook's friends and followers structure, which has been around for years. FYI, Instagram recently rolled out a separate friends tab in Reels that shows content your connections have engaged with. Seems like Meta is really pushing this friends terminology across the board. Whether this becomes permanent likely depends on how users react once it rolls out more widely. For now, the change is not being welcomed well. Rest assured, we'll keep you all posted with relevant updates on the article. That's all for now. Thank you for your time.